Welcome to Chris Jenkins Golf Academy based at Cronin's Golf Centre in Essex. Today we're going to talk about bunker shots. First thing is to use the right equipment, and I'm using a 56-degree wedge with 14 degrees of bounce. So what is bounce? So bounce is the angle that the sole of the club makes with the ground when the shaft is at a neutral position, so vertical. If I have the shaft pushed forward, then that reduces the amount of bounce, and so it means the club will dig into the sand. And so we want the club to skim through the sand and accelerate through impact, and so we have to set up with a neutral shaft. A great way of visualizing how bounce works is to imagine the front of a ski. So the ski's flat, but to stop the ski from digging into the snow, it curves up at the front, and that allows the ski to travel over the snow smoothly. So the way the bounce works is that very much in the same way. So this is turned up at the front here, so the leading edge is up off the ground, and it means once the back hits the sand, then the sand pushes the club back out and stops the club from digging in. And so the way we would do that is start off with the shaft neutral and play the ball firstly much further forward in our stance, so opposite the inside of the left heel is great. Secondly, I'm going to turn the left toe out and get the left knee forward so I can get myself over the ball, otherwise I'm going to be hanging back too much. And so we get onto the left side. And we set up with a pretty square stance as well, so it's pretty much to the target, because if I can swing the club to the target, because I've got so much loft on the face, the ball's going to go straight in the direction I want, even if the club face is pointing slightly to the right. So what I'm going to do, open my left toe up, get my left knee over my shoe, feeling the weight on my left foot, keeping the hands back, not allowing the hands to go forward, and we'll try to return the shaft to this neutral position and allow the club to flip slightly through impact. So let's have a go at this. Okay, so the mark that I can see in the sand as well is like a splashing sand. The sand is sprayed. If I was to lean the shaft forward through impact, then the club would carve the sand, and that's a great way of telling whether you use the bounce correctly or not. So plenty of practice, and let's even get better at it.